Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is Clear method in Selenium. Clear is an action available on IWebElement that removes any text we have entered previously in an input field or a text area. Clear works only on input fields, text areas, editable elements. In real-world automation, Clear is commonly used before sending keys to make sure field is empty and clean. So in the sample script, if we see, I'm opening the Cogmento login page and then I'm entering text in the email field. After entering the text in the email field, I'm trying to clear the uh, existing values using clear method and then again enter the new values. So if I run the sample script, we will see how it has been clearing and entering the new text. So first it entered old value at the rate example and then it cleared. After clearing, it has entered the new value. This is how clear action works in Selenium. So let me recap again. Clear is used to remove existing text from the input fields. Clear works only on editable elements. Clear is usually used before sending keys in real projects. Use clear avoids text appending issues. Suppose if I want to enter text in a field which is already some text is available in the input field. If I enter another text, it will be appended. So for that reason, we will be clearing and then trying to enter the new keys. Clear before sending keys is a small step that prevents many flaky failures.